Everybody, welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, latest price update about Hedera Hashgraph, guys. And you know what, guys, first of all, that is a congratulations and good news for all Hedera Hashgraph holders that Hedera Hashgraph is a unique crypto in the market which all changes is positive and very fastest moving cryptocurrencies in the market, and I think that is the number one profitable cryptocurrencies in a right now situation. I mean, in a nowadays, that is a profitable coin. Anyways, guys, let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. The live and latest price of Hedera Hashgraph is about 0.351201 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Hedera Hashgraph. And furthermore, guys, you can see here that, guys, the whole changes last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. These all changes in a Hedera Hashgraph is going positive. So that's why I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes, guys, and especially in the Hedera Hashgraph, guys. You already know that yesterday on 6-7 September the price of a lot of cryptocurrencies very badly decreased, but Hedera Hashgraph price is still positive, guys, and I hope, guys, for a long time they continue like that positive changes. Let me show you the price chart of Hedera Hashgraph. Oh my god, what a quick jump. Just look here in a price chart. That is called a jump, guys. Now Hedera Hashgraph is going to the moon, guys. Just look here, very fastest moving cryptocurrencies in the market, in positive 57.2% positive changes and 0.348382 USD dollar. That is the highest price of a Hedera Hashgraph, guys. So now the everything changes is going good. I hope you like this video, and guys, if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel.